Okay, this is 3969 Biddle. It does have the low maintenance front yard with the turf and then a few rose bushes in the front. Curb appeal on this is such with the natural light, security door. The living room has laminate flooring. Here's the deal, it has a step down all the way around to get to either the living room or the dining room. Living room has natural light and shutters with a travertine fireplace. The garage comes into the house. So there's the garage, comes right into the house, a little step up on there. Step down to the dining area, which is right as soon as you walk in, with a little storage area here. You do have visibility into the kitchen, which is nice. Granite countertops, not dated, but not upgraded appliances. They're not stainless. Good cabinetry, decent shape. The backyard is travertine floors with a little pass-through breakfast bar, which is cute. This has a little table and again, turf. So what I like about this one for you is that it's really, really low maintenance, but it's a whole lot of backyard space and no entertainment quality. You could actually put a pool back here. And then there's some rose gardens. You do have a nice privacy fence. Got a decent breeze going on here. And again, a lot of space, really nothing else to it though. No entertainment quality, so it's kind of a little blasé, but not too bad. Definitely is functional, definitely would work for you. Again, this is your kitchen. Not so sure I'd put such a big table there. Coming down the hall, bedroom number 1. Has an east-facing view, does have a ceiling fan, mirrored closet doors. This is the bath, in very good shape, updated with granite countertops. The bedroom number 2, currently set up like a desk area, ceiling fan, not closet doors that are mirrored. And then the master bedroom is carpeted. Carpets look like they could be replaced. And the door to the master has another door that leads out to the patio area. Nice open area for natural light. And then the bath is a very small walk-in shower with a single vanity, whereas the first one that we saw was a double vanity. So this one is, this one is 3969 Biddle Street at, well, and it's priced accordingly at $799,000. It's only been on the market for 1 day. Okay, and that's this one.